Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we will talk about creating and using PHP classes and objects. If you enjoy the video, like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below for more creative videos. In PHP, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the properties and methods of an object. Properties define the data and attributes of an object, while methods define the behavior of an object. To create a class in PHP, you start with the keyword class followed by the name of the class. Within the class, you can define properties and methods. Here's a simple example. To create an object from a class, you use the new keyword followed by the name of the class. Now, let's call the getMake method to retrieve the make of the car. The output of this code will be Toyota. And that's it. That's how you create and use PHP classes and objects. You can use classes to create complex and scalable applications by defining objects that have specific properties and behaviors. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Like and subscribe to Orin-X. See you guys in the next video.